Now we apply the foam cannon, ensuring a complete blanket for the deep clean. The dense foam clings to the surface, lifting away years of grime.
Gently lifting away the grime from the fuel tank now. Look at that shine starting to come through the smoky silver paint.
This R90S final drive is absolutely caked. We're using a soft brush here to really work the soap in before the rinse. All right, with the last bolt loose, we can finally see what's underneath after all these years. Taking off the fender reveals the true condition of the frame. We can see decades of grime caked on right here. The chemical reaction is immediate. The old silver finish blisters, revealing the bare metal beneath. This is the satisfying part. Once the chemical has time to work, we use a soft nylon brush to gently agitate the surface. The brass brush really helps work the degreaser into these tight spots, lifting away decades of grime. As we gently separate the halves, you can see the buildup. We'll use this small brush to meticulously clean the piston bores. Be very careful when removing the cap. As you can see, this fluid is heavily contaminated. We'll let it drain slowly before inspecting the seals. The first step is to compress the spring and remove the top cap. Keep everything organized as you go.
The ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to create cavitation bubbles, scrubbing the grime from these vintage parts.
Just taking my time, watching the dust fly in the morning sun.
This is the boxer engine from the 74 R90S. We're using a citrus degreaser to carefully remove decades of baked-on residue.
It's crucial to back these off gradually, following the service manual sequence to prevent warping the cylinder head.
Now we carefully set the head down and inspect the chamber. Looks very clean in here.
It's crucial to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the delicate seal during installation.
And this is the critical step, ensuring the S mark on the flywheel aligns perfectly with the case notch.
After removing the bolts, we clean the rotor and gears thoroughly. Then, applying a generous coat of assembly oil ensures smooth operation.
The ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to create these cavitation bubbles, lifting the grime from the 74 R90S carbs.
Absolutely perfect, ready for the road.
Feathering the edges, making sure the surface is level.
Okay, just getting the last little bits of dust off the fairing now. See how clean that is. So you want to keep the pressure even as you work the compound in. See how that haze just disappears.
Getting this swing arm aligned perfectly is crucial. We use fresh grease and the calibrated torque wrench for the final setting.
Ensure the tubes are fully seated before applying torque. We'll start with the upper clamp bolts, torquing them to
Align the wheel carefully before sliding the polished axle through. Finally, secure the fasteners with the torque wrench until they click into place.
And the fuel line clicks right into place. Now for the throttle cables. Perfect fit.
Notice the reflection here. The ultra-soft microfiber gently brings out that deep, wet gloss.